Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 20. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add a text to your photo with a very trending and very amazing and creative effect in Photoshop. Nowadays on Instagram or on YouTube thumbnails you can just use this kind of technique to create an amazing thumbnails or banners or whatever you want with the help of this by adding a text which I'm gonna show you in this video, right? So let's get started guys. Hello everyone, welcome to our 20th lesson in which we are going to learn how to add a text to your photo with cool kind of creative and trending effects, or nowadays the text whatever you are seeing on the internet, that kind of effect we will just learn in this photo or the video, right? So the very first thing it is to open any of the photo. Now we're gonna add a text to your photo. Let's select the T from here and we are going to add a text. We will just name a text like a travel, right? So this is our text. Now if you want to enlarge it, first of all select the move tool from here, press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just move it from the one corner by pressing the shift key, right? So it will just increase up the thing. Now you can always change the font from here, so whatever kind of font you want, you can totally use it just from here. So there are a lot of fonts. You can also download it from the internet also. So I'll just mention that website, that is dafont.com. On that website you can download a lot of fonts just for free, right? Now this is the font, right? So here if you want to add a kind of suppose, let's see, if you want to delete something from here, right? So what you can do is, first of all, if you want to create or inverted look to your photo, right, only on this person, so what we're gonna do is just right click on it and select rasterize layer. So it will rasterize it, so you won't be able to edit the text because you have made that text file into a rasterized image, right? So here is the one thing. Suppose just press the Ctrl key from the keyboard and just press the left click from the mouse on this particular layer, so it will select automatically that selection whatever it is in the particular layer, right? So here is the selection. Now just unhide it, right? As you can see we have unhided. Now guys, here you can just go on to the curves or levels or whatever you want. You can just go to that. Now you can just make a creative effect. As you can see, as I am increasing it, it is looking very perfect. Or you can just make a very opacity gradiented filter kind of thing, right? So as you can see, it is looking totally perfect. So this is how you can use this technique to make your text to layer and convert it to kind of your desired amount of thing. And one more thing we will learn, that is, suppose I just want the text a different color in the particular area. So what I will do is, first of all I'll select the photo or select the area where I want to change the color. So I have just, let's unhide this. So I have selected this hoodie or the t-shirts, right? So what I will do is I'll just go to the layer of that text layer file. I'll just right click on it and select the layer I cut. So as you can see, I have made a cut of this particular image. So this one looks like travel kind of thing which is present like a realistic effect. Now you can just add shadows to your photo, bevel embeds and a lot of things. Suppose just right click on it and select the blending options and you will find a lot of options over here. You can add a drop shadows to the photograph or that travel theme kind of. As you can see, this one is literally looking so cool guys. You can decrease the opacity. You can even create a bevel and emboss look to the photo. Let's just and any of the, as you can see, this one is literally making your photo kind of a 3D embossed type of thing. You can increase the size over here. Let's decrease and you can see it is literally looking so perfect, kind of, it is enhanced, and that kind of effect it is shown in the photo with kind of, cool text. So this is how you can create an text. And suppose, let's say, if I want to change the color of this particular text, what I will do is, I just want a white color. So what I will do is just press the control key from the keyboard and just unhide this layer. Let's create a new layer, and we have the selection. So just go to the paint bucket tool, and here we will just paint any of the color which we want, right? Suppose, let's see, which we want a white color. So I'll just paint it with the white color. As you can see, this one looks really very cool. You can add even shadows to this image also, or this layer. So just right click on it and select the blending options. Go to the drop shadows, and you can see we have added the drop shadows to this particular white image. So this looks really very cool, guys. If you want to create a kind of poster kind of things, or unique thumbnails for any of the projects, or whatever, for your website, or whatever, for your YouTube videos even, you can create this kind of unique, add a text to your photo and just pump out and create an amazing trending effect text to your photos, right? So let's add a kind of moody thing to this photo text, right? So just add, let's name it as a moody. Here is some simple way to add a kind of moody text. Let's here name it as an alone, ALLONE, and here we are going to add more spaces to make it look more cinematic. So this is the key point, guys. If you want to make a cinematic, so this is a secret point which you need to learn. If you can turn any of the photo to a cinematic in a one click, just add text, and that should be in that capital letters, and it should contains more spaces to the photo, and you are done. So you will create an amazing cinematic look to the photo. So as you can see, this one is literally looking so cool, right, guys? So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this, how to learn this, the technique of adding a creative text, like a trending text, to your photo with the help of this tool, that is a text tool, and making it to a rasterized kind of layer thing. So guys, today that's it for today, and see you in the next lesson, and we will learn something new. So bye bye till the next video, guys.